Hey guys, today I wanted to share a review and swatch video of the ColourPop by Birdie palette. This is one of many that I have. I was not gifted this one, I bought this one just to disclose it to you guys. Actually, I think most of the palettes I have from ColourPop I bought. But just in full disclosure, I'm gonna say, whether I bought it or not for each video, just because, I feel like y'all should know. Not that it really matters because I give honest reviews regardless, but just to be, honest and open. I'm actually wearing a look from the palette now. That's what I usually do in my review videos. If I review something, I'll have a look I'm wearing featuring the product that I'm showing you, just to give you an idea of what you could do with it. But this is a nice palette of pinks and purples, and it's very appropriate for Valentine's or even, really any time of year. It's so versatile. Even fall, even though fall is over. But it has some, neutral colors in here as well. You don't have to do anything as bold as I did. But in case you guys would like to see the look, you'll just have to subscribe and turn your post notifications on so you'll know when I post it. It's actually a collaboration video with one of my friends, and I decided to post a review first, so you guys already have that, in your arsenal. If you guys haven't seen swatches on someone of color like myself, and I find that when I watch videos like these and I see posts like these, it helps me determine whether or not the palette or the makeup product will work for me and on my skin. So hopefully this is helpful to you guys as well. Let's dive right into the review. So the first color is called Ariel, and you'll have to excuse my Louisiana accent. It might sound like I'm saying, oh, too country. It might sound like I'm saying Ariel as in the mermaid, but I'm actually saying Ariel. Gosh, okay, A-E, okay. A-E like American Eagle. Ariel. Y'all know I'm from Louisiana by now, so I don't have to try to hide my accent. I'm from the South, okay? This color is a pretty golden shimmer. It's like a light peach and has gold flecks of shimmer in it. It's pretty. Now, this color has more of a creamy texture. It's not one of those powdery colors, so it's really nice. I'm actually wearing it, a little bit of it, as a brow highlight. Not a brow highlight all the way across, but at the highest point of my arch, I'm wearing it. Color next to it is Nesting. I'm wearing this as a buffer shade today. This is a matte lighter pink, perfect for blending out. Actually I'm not wearing this in my crease. I confused it with another color. I'm actually wearing this as my brow highlight all the way across. It is lighter than my skin, which makes it appropriate for that, and it has a pink undertone, but it's pretty nude still, so it can work. If you're a lighter skin tone, it can work as a nice neutral shade. If you're a little darker, like me, it'll work more as a brow highlight and lighter color. Next to it is Ruffled. I did not use this color today. It's a glitter, a pressed glitter, and it's a duochrome color. It's like a white, reflective duochrome glitter. Next to it is called Gander. This is absolutely beautiful. I don't even know where I'm wearing it. I'm wearing it. I just can't remember where I put it. Hold on. Okay. I think I'm wearing this color in the inner crease, but it's a nice shimmery gold. It's lighter. It's like one of those champagne golds. It's not like a yellow gold or anything like that, but it's very pretty. Next row, first color is called Nevermore. This is a peachy pink. MAC has a shade similar to this. I can't think the name of the color. It's so pretty. I might actually do a neutral look using this palette, or a couple more looks using this palette, because I really like it. It has a wide assortment of pinks and purples, neutrals and glitters. But this one is, I would say, a golden coral. That's the best way to describe it, and it's, of course, shimmery. Next to it is called Finch. Shimmery purple. It's not your violet purple. It's more of a pinky purple, which makes sense with the theme of the palette. Next to it is Amuse Me, which is a lilac glitter. I'm wearing this in the tear duct and also my lower inner corner. Beautiful, beautiful glitter. And there's only 2 glitters in the palette. Next to that is called On a Wing. This is a shimmery mauve, and it's lighter. It's not a darker color. This would actually be pretty, believe it or not, as a brow highlight. I might actually try that. It doesn't look like it could work as a brow highlight, but back when I worked at MAC, I did learn a lot of things. For example, Woodwink, I think, it's a shimmery gold. I don't know if they still have it or not, but typically I would only wear it on the lid, only wear it in the corner as a pop of brightness. But I learned that it looks so good on darker skin complexions as a brow highlight. And because this color, even though it's different, it reminds me of that color because it's light and shimmery. I don't know. I'm gonna try it. I think it could really work because after I swiped it on my skin, it looks like it would really be pretty. Ooh, I don't know. I'm gonna try it though. First color, last row, Boober. This is the color I am wearing in my crease. It's a matte pink, a matte lighter pink. Perfect for blending. So if you want a buffer shade, if you want a light matte pink shade, this is your color. Second on the last row is Herald Chic. This is a matte version of the Finch color I showed you earlier, except it's a little more pink. It's a little more plum. It's a pinky plum, a matte pink plum, I would say. Next to that is Fly By Night. This is, oh my gosh, a gorgeous pink. Oh no. This is, oh my gosh, a gorgeous purple, and it has gold flakes of shimmer in it. I don't know, and it is just beautiful. I don't know why I didn't use this in this makeup look, but there's no way I could have used 12 colors. I've seen it done before. My friend Shelly, if you guys follow her, I'll have her name on screen. No. I'll have her name on screen. Shelly, I don't have an inkling of how to pronounce her last name. I know how to pronounce it, but I don't know how to say it. That makes sense. I've heard it pronounced. She's pronounced it to me before. But she is a beast of applying every single color in the palette. She does first impression videos on palettes. I bet you, if she hasn't already, if she has, I haven't seen it. I bet you she could take all 12 of these shades and put on her eyes. I don't know how she does it. I mean, I know how it's done, but I've never actually done it. Oh, it's a lot harder than it looks. She does it. She has a way, I don't know. You guys have to just subscribe to her. She does it. I could never. And the last color in the palette is Plumage or Plumage. We had a color called Plumage at MAC as well. I'm not sure if it's still available. I'm sorry, I don't know what's current and what's not. I apologize. But this is a matte reddish brown. The Plumage we had was more of a peacock bluish green matte. This is more of a brownish matte. And I'm so glad they included this color in here. It helps really make the palette, you know, I keep digging my nail into it. It makes the palette versatile because you have your neutrals, you have your colors, you have your darks, your darker colors. And I did wear a darker look from the palette, but I'm very impressed with this palette. The colors apply so well, as most of the colors I have from ColourPop do. I don't think I found a single eyeshadow I don't like from them. I don't think. I really can't think of one. I'm not just saying that, you know, because they send me certain things for free, but they're like really the bomb. They're affordable. Only thing, I love the packaging. I absolutely love it. The peacock feathers, the feather on the outside. The colors are just so pretty. I love the gold accents. The names are on the back, of course. Only thing I don't like is that it doesn't have a mirror, even though that's not that big of a deal, because when I filmed this look, I just used a different palette and used the mirror from that. But it would be more convenient to have that in there, but that's not a deal breaker. The actual colors are amazing. They apply well together. They go well together. Yeah, this palette is awesome. I'm planning 2 more looks with this palette. I don't know if y'all like if I do that or not, but I like to show different ways to wear palettes. I did it with Jeffree Star. I'm not sure if all of those are up yet, but I like to show different ways to wear palettes so you're not like, okay, so that's one look you can do. What else can you do? I don't want y'all to wonder that for me, so that's why I like to do different options. So the next look may be neutral or dramatic. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I'm already planning something because I love so many colors in this palette. I'll have swatches on my blog. A link to my blog post will be down below in case you want to see still images of all the swatches. And also, don't forget to rate the video, subscribe if you haven't, turn on your post notifications if you haven't. Yeah, I'll talk to all of you soon. Thank you for watching.